Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start real estate investor insurance with CoverWallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your real estate investor insurance with CoverWallet, first, navigate to the CoverWallet website. Look for the Get Started button on the homepage. Click on this button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to fill out basic information about yourself and your business. Provide your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, enter the details of your real estate investment activities. Indicate whether you are investing in residential, commercial, or mixed properties. Select the number of properties you currently own or manage. After completing the basic information, you will proceed to choose the insurance coverage you need. CoverWallet offers various types of coverage tailored for real estate investors. Review each option carefully to determine which policies best suit your investment strategy. Once you've selected your desired coverage, you will need to provide additional information about each property. This may include the property addresses, types of dwelling, and year of construction. Next, you will be asked about any prior insurance claims you might have related to these properties. This information will help determine the best insurance solutions for your situation. After filling out all required information, review your application for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. When you are satisfied with your information, proceed to the quote section. CoverWallet will generate multiple insurance quotes based on your input. Take your time to compare these quotes. Look at the coverage options, premiums, and deductibles. Select the insurance policy that best meets your needs and budget. Once you have chosen a policy, follow the prompts to finalize your application. This may involve entering payment information and confirming your coverage selections. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox for any additional instructions or documents. Congratulations, you have successfully started your real estate investor insurance with CoverWallet. You can now access your policy information through their website or app whenever you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.